How to get Kahoot. Kahoot is a popular game-based learning platform used for education, training, and entertainment. It allows users to create, share, and participate in interactive quizzes, surveys, and challenges, making learning engaging and fun for people of all ages. Here's a step-by-step guide to help you get started with Kahoot. Understand what Kahoot is. Kahoot is primarily a quiz-based platform where hosts create games called Kahoots that participants join using a unique game pin. It's widely used in classrooms, corporate training, and social settings for educational or entertainment purposes. Choose the right version of Kahoot. Kahoot offers several options based on user needs. Kahoot, basic, free. Create and participate in quizzes for personal use. Kahoot Plus/Pro paid access. Advanced features like reports, branding, and more customization. Kahoot, for schools, tailored for teachers and students. Kahoot, for work, designed for corporate training and team-building activities. Kahoot Kids, a child-friendly version with educational content. How to get Kahoot online. Open a web browser and visit the official Kahoot! Website. Click Sign up to create a new account or log in if you already have one. Choose your user type. Teacher, student, personal, or business. Complete the registration process using an email address or a Google/Microsoft account. How to get the Kahoot mobile app. Kahoot is available on both iOS and Android devices. Open the App Store, iOS or Google Play Store, Android. Search for Kahoot. Select the official app and tap Install. Open the app, sign in, or create a new account to start using the platform. Create your first Kahoot quiz. Once your account is set up, click Create on the homepage. Select a quiz type, multiple choice, true, false, puzzle, or poll. Add questions, answers, time limits, and media like images or videos. Save and publish your quiz. Join a Kahoot game. To participate in a live or self-paced game, open the app or go to kahoot.it in a web browser. Enter the game PIN provided by the host. Choose a nickname and join the session. Use Kahoot in different settings, in classrooms, for engaging lessons and educational activities, in workplaces, for training, onboarding, and team building, at home, for fun quizzes, trivia nights, or educational activities with family. Upgrade your account, optional. For more advanced features like detailed reports, larger participant capacity, and additional game types, consider upgrading to Kahoot, Plus, Pro, or one of their tailored packages for work or school use. Kahoot is an intuitive and fun way to make learning more dynamic. With a simple interface and diverse features, it's accessible to both tech-savvy users and beginners alike.